Hi Cancer, welcome to your February 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be exploring all aspects of your life and giving the messages to you as and how I receive them. In the meanwhile, may I request you to please hit the subscribe button for me and also give this reading a thumbs up if you like it. If you'd like a free reading from me, you can head over to my Instagram account and Facebook. That's where I go live, and I'll be happy to take your queries for you. Make sure you follow me there. So, Cancerians, the overall energy for the month of February is Three of Pentacles. You could be meeting a lot of people, you could be wanting to arrive at a lot of decisions. These decisions could be long term or something you have related to an investment in mind that could be extending to a few years. Let me draw you more cards and see where this is headed. Alright. Cancerians, please. For Cancerians for February. Alright, we have quite a few messages for you here. So, February is looking really busy, and I also feel like Cancerians, you are meeting a lot of people, and a lot of these people are also interested in meeting you. I get these are very influential people or very high placed or highly placed, and a lot of these people have some strong long-term interests with you. You get the card of Queen of Wands and the card of Queen of Pentacles. I feel like there is somebody here, Cancerians. Yeah, what you don't see at the end of the deck is the Three of Wands energy. I'll come back and expand on that. What you don't see here is that there is somebody around you. This could be a male, it could be a female, carries the Queen of Wands energy, could be popular, but does not have your best interests in mind. And they could be sending a lot of negativity towards you, a lot of negative energy towards you, trying to block you in your path. They may appear to be very joyful, happy, and social people, but I don't think they have your good interests in mind, your best interests in mind. Give me a little more about the Queen of Wands, please. Yeah. This person has only monetary interests with you, or they want something from you. They're vying to get something from you in the month of February, and they're looking either to, okay, they are looking to build contacts over you or through you, or they could be seeing you as somebody who they can use as a link towards some. This might not sound very pleasant to you, but yes, I do see someone like that here. And in your reading so far, you have all the three queens out. There are four in the deck, the three are out already. I also feel there is someone here. This could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, who is going to prove very helpful to you in this month. And I also feel like they could have some very solid or strong concrete advice to offer to you. You could also be dealing very strongly in the month with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and they may have some advice for you. Let me see what the Five of Pentacles is here for. Beautiful. You get the card of the Empress. I feel like Cancerians, you could be receiving good guidance just in time, and they are helping you walk out of either physically, emotionally, or financial difficult in a situation towards the point of the Empress. So Empress is your guiding light here in the month of February. I also see here, Cancerians, that you could be starting something new, or you could be leaning towards someone here in the month of February. But I feel like you have some very strong feelings about someone who could be a part of your life, because there is the Ace of Cups energy, and I see you, and the Ace of Cups is topped by the card of the Lovers. I definitely see you wanting to make new advances or start a relationship, or take an existing relationship to a new level. You may be breaking free from your old patterns or your old belief systems here with the Page of Swords energy, and you could be wanting to set yourself free to go ahead and enjoy this situation that's appearing for you in your life. You have some really strong cards up in the month of February here. You also have two kings here. I feel like Cancerians, what is the King of Swords here about? I feel like you could be wanting to build a future with them or move ahead or move in with them. Some of you Cancerians may be wanting to do that. But I definitely see you taking a new step or a bolder step towards your future. What is the Three of Cups energy here for? Please show me clearly. You get the card of the Devil. Cancerians, there is a bit of a red flag. There's one red flag here that you need to watch out for. In the month of February, I kind of feel like whatever this is that you're battling against within yourself, whatever this is, you're in a conflict, you need to listen to your rational self. And at the end of the deck, you have the Seven of Cups energy. And before this, you got the Three of Wands energy. I kind of feel like you're torn between your past and your present situation. Past is something that's stable, but you don't like that. You want to move out of that, and you want something that's a little either challenging or a little more ambitious for you. And you may be willing to work towards that. But I get here the card of Three of Cups, the card of the Devil, and the Six of Swords. I feel like Cancerians, you could be moving towards or catering to an addiction or a situation like that. And the Devil energy is the Capricorn energy, and it feels very enticing. I kind of feel like you are at loggerheads with your own intuition right now, and you are not listening to your intuition here, Cancerians. With the Devil energy and the Seven of Cups appearing here in your reading, I kind of feel like you need to not go for any new relationships right now, but of course it is up to you. Also, if there are any temptations here that are pulling you in that direction, you will need to be cautious about that. What is the outcome for this? What is the outcome for this, Spirit? Please show me clearly. You get the card of Ace of Swords. I kind of feel like Cancerians, you are looking to travel. Some of you Cancerians may even be applying for a visa or maybe wanting to travel abroad, may could be making long-term plans. I feel like you are you're telling yourself, let me just go forward, take one more step in this direction and see how this is going to work out for me. And if it doesn't work out, I'm going to go back on that. But with the Nine of Cups and Eight of Wands energy, I kind of feel like you are not listening to your intuition again, your Cancerians, and going towards this temptation. So what will be the outcome, Spirit? What will be the outcome of this? Okay. With the card of the Sun, I feel like a lot could be revealed to you at this point in time. And this may even be a person who is younger to you or has a very jovial energy, has a very youthful energy about them, and there may also be a sense of maturity to them. The card that popped out for you were the Eight of Swords energy. I kind of feel like this is either you or them. Not 100% sure whether you want to go ahead with this or take this in a new direction, but I feel like this person has a very nurturing, calm, and very strong energy, and they may be making slow movements towards you too. So they're slowly and steadily moving out of their inhibitions towards you. How's the finance looking for Cancerians in the month of February 2021, please? For Cancerians, please. Finance. I feel like this is either a project or a debt or a loan that you've been looking to either pay off or you want to start work with, but there are some delays here. There are some delays, but the delay is about to end towards the end of the month of February, probably in the third week of the month. You also get the Nine of Pentacles. Whatever this is you're looking to achieve financially, it is coming to you. With the Nine of Pentacles, it is coming to you, but it may not come to you in the 100% way that you have imagined. But this is good. Whatever this is, it's coming to you and it's looking very helpful. I also feel finances are going to be a little slow in the month of February, so keep a tab on your expenditures. But money flow is definitely here, only it is not being balanced well with your expenditure, so you need to be careful about that. You also get the King of Cups energy, so you have 3 kings and all the 4 queens are out here in your reading. You have the Queen of Cups, you have the Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands energy, Queen of Swords. You also have the Empress, and you have the King of Cups, the King of Pentacles, King of Swords energy. I feel like Cancerians, this is a very important month for you, and you could be making decisions, long-term decisions about many things in your life in the month of February. And these are going to be long-term decisions here as well. You do not have a lot of major arcanas here. You have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 major arcanas, 4 major arcanas here in the reading, 5 actually. And these are talking to me about you coming to making some really very significant moves and decisions in your life, and some of these decisions could even be life-changing for you. And this would show result or consequence in the month of August and or beyond that, is what I'm getting for you. Okay, you get the card of the Fool. As I speak about the month of August, you get the card of the Fool. I feel like you're definitely walking towards a new beginning. You could be wanting to walk away from something that made you feel stuck in your situation or didn't allow you to move for quite a while now, but you're now making a move towards your business, finances, new opportunities at work, growth in income sources. You could be laying foundations for that here, and you even want a new relationship for yourself is what I'm seeing here. So I kind of feel like you're hoping and wishing for a complete renewal of your life, or you want your life to start afresh. This is what I'm getting for you here. Do watch out for the red flags, Cancerians, but otherwise the month is looking really good for you. I see lots of pentacles here, but whatever you're setting the foundations for is going to reveal itself in a big way in the coming few months, or maybe in a few years. It's going to grow. So be careful about what this is you're making decisions about, because these are long-term decisions you are arriving at in the month of February 2021. So that's what I have for you for now, Cancerians. Please make sure you hit the like button for me, and also subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon so you get notified as and how I go live and I post a video here. I would hugely appreciate it if you can share this video with someone who might need to hear these messages. So I'll meet you again very soon. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.